Welcome to the video where we will learn about how to find missing angle using trigonometric ratios, which are sine, cosine, and tangent. If you can see, SOHCAHTOA, this is a short way to remember the formula of each trigonometric ratio. So sine is with O and H. It means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent, because that's A in ka, A and then H. So adjacent over hypotenuse. And with tangent it's toa, O first, opposite over adjacent. These are the formulas. SOHCAHTOA. If you remember this, you will always remember the formulas. You don't have to learn them in a different way. This way you don't do any mistake. If you are new to this video, we have done two videos before in which we have learned how to identify different sides in a right angle triangle and how to find out which ratio to use, and we have also learned how to find the missing side using these ratios. And now we are here in this video to find the missing angle using these ratios. So you can find the link here in this video. You can see on the right top corner. You can click there and you can find the link to other videos and watch them and then come back to this video. Okay, so let's move on to examples. But before we move on to examples, I'm going to tell you, when we have to find the missing angle, we use our sine, cos, tan, these ratios after pressing the shift key. You will press the shift key and then you will use sine or cos or tan. I will show you where the shift key is. Let me show you first. Here you can see the scientific calculator. So you will go to your calculators and press this shift key. And once you will press the shift key, after pressing the shift key, you will press sine or cos or tan. What you will see on your screen when you will press shift and sine, you will see sine like this. Okay, and there will be a bracket after it. Or after pressing cos, you will see cos like this, -1, power -1 with a bracket. Same thing will happen with 10. So we use these when we are finding the missing angles. Now let's see these three examples which will make it clear how to figure out the missing angle. In the first one, you can see here, you can see the angle is missing, which is x. They're looking for x. So first of all, we will figure out which ratio to use. So I write here SOHCAHTOA. So we have this missing angle and we will see which two sides are given to us. So first of all, I'll see this one is given to me, which is adjacent. And this side is actually opposite to the right angle. So this side is hypotenuse. So which ratio uses A and H? I can see ka, which is for cosine. So the formula for cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so as I told you, we will press shift and press the cosine or cos key in our calculator. You will see it like this: cos -1 and a bracket. Okay, and you know it's A over H, so adjacent is 3 over hypotenuse is 8. When you will press enter after writing this fraction in the bracket, you will see the answer is 67 point something. 67.975. We usually round it to 3. When it's angle, we round it to 1 decimal point. So after 1 decimal, 7 means round up. So 9 will round up to 10. So this will become 68 degree. Let's see another one. So this is our right angle. Okay, the angle missing is this one. So the side which is given to us is opposite and the other side is adjacent. Okay, so OA, which one is using OA? O and A, it's tan. So the formula for tan is tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. As I told you, to find the missing angle, we press shift and tan. So it will be tan -1 and a brick bracket, you will see. Opposite over adjacent, opposite is 9, adjacent is 20. Okay, when you will press this in calculator, you will get x will be equal to 24.2277 something and so on. So you will round it to one decimal point and next digit is 2, so it's round down. So your angle is 24.2 degree. Okay, the last one now. So the angle missing is this one, x, and we have got opposite side and hypotenuse, because this is a right angle and opposite to it is hypotenuse. We have got O and H. So let's see, this time I think it's sine, because sine deals with opposite and hypotenuse. So the formula for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine after shift will look like this, and you will write opposite, which is 12, over hypotenuse, which is 13. Okay, after writing this, you will get to see 67.380. You round it to one decimal point, the next digit is 8, so 3 will round to 4. So your answer is, the angle here is 67.4 degree. This is how we find the missing angles using our trigonometric ratios. First, we have to identify. The first step always is to identify which ratio to use. Once you know it, press shift, write the ratio in your calculator and use the formula to write the fraction, and then press enter and you will know your missing angle. I hope this video is of help to you. Share and subscribe to support our channel, and have a nice day.